Hello friends, myself Dr. Manisha Sapkar, Department of Microbiology, Balasaheb Desai College, Patna. Now in this particular lecture, let us see how to prepare smear for different staining procedures. Here, for observing microorganisms, for observing their different parts, we require to perform the staining, and for the staining we require the smear preparation on the slide. Now which are the requirements for this practical? First is we require a glass slide which should be properly clean, which should be made properly oil free with the help of vim powder. You will require a glass marking pencil. As usual, you will require an inoculating needle, and you should have a 24 hours old bacterial suspension. So these are the requirements for preparing the smear. Now let us start the smear preparation. First of all, make sure your slide is totally washed, clean and properly dry. First of all, mark the area on the slide with the help of glass marking pencil at the center, and in that specified area which was marked by pencil, you can perform the smear. So this is the type marking made on the slide. Always keep in mind the side on which you have marked is not used for the preparation of smear. Instead of that, use opposite side of the slide for making the smear. So now your slide is ready. Place the slide on a blotting paper and take the suspension. As usual, incinerate the needle to make it sterile. After proper incineration, burning of the needle, now your needle is sterile. Make it cool and then take the suspension. After opening that plug of the suspension tube, pass the tube in the flame to avoid the entry of unwanted organism, and then take the suspension. While using suspension, always care should be taken that needle should be properly cooled. So place the plug as it is, keep your test tube in its rack, and then pick up the slide and spread the suspension taken on the needle. Spread it properly to separate the organisms. Again, after placing the needle, again re-sterilize it for avoiding the further contamination. So now your smear is ready. Now before staining, the smear should be properly heat fixed. Now how to perform heat fixation? For heat fixation, first of all, air dry the smear. Ensure your smear was completely dried, and then pass the smear for 2 to 3 times in the Bunsen burner. It is called as heat fixation. Now why heat fixation is required? Because when you are staining the slide, you are using aqueous stain. During the staining, you have to wash the slide, and during such washing, that smear may get washed out. So to avoid the washing of the smear, we should heat fix the slide, or for that reason heat fixation is necessary. Now what happens during the heat fixation? During heat fixation of the slide, when you are making the slide hot, what happens? The proteins from the bacterial cultures or proteins from the bacterial cell get melt, and that bacterial cell gets stick, or it get adhere on the slide, and that is called as heat fixation. Once it get adhere due to the heat fixation, your bacteria will retain even after the staining as well as even after the washing. So this is the method called as smear preparation, which is required to make our slide ready for the different types of the staining. So now our slide is ready for staining, and here we will perform the monochrome staining. Here what is monochrome staining? Mono means single, use of chrome means color. When there is use of single color to stain the smear, it is called as monochrome staining. It is also called as simple staining. This monochrome staining is usually used to observe the morphology of bacterial cell. When you want to observe whether our bacteria are rods or foci, then you can just perform the monochrome staining. Now for monochrome staining, we require the basic stains. One can use crystal violet or one can use safranin. Here let us use first stain, that is a crystal violet. Now for staining, your slide is ready. Hold this slide or keep your slide on the staining slide rack, and then pour the stain or flood the smear area of the smear with the crystal violet or particular stain, and keep it for 1 minute. Again, the timing used for staining was given in the standard method. So I follow these standard methods, and according to the standard methods that specified, for that specified time, keep your stains on the smear. So after 1 minute, discard excess stain. After discarding, now how to perform the washing. Here, while washing the smear, use few drops of water. So that is how, just allow few drops of water to flow on the smear. That is the washing. Do not harass your slide by pressured water. So always remember, use of while washing the slide, use a gentle flow of few drops of water over the slide. So this is how your slide is ready. Monochrome staining is ready, and now you blot the slide with the help of blotting paper. Observe this slide under the microscope. Hello friends, now in this particular video, let us see how to observe microscopic slide, stained slide under the compound microscope. So this is the compound microscope having different parts, and already you have studied this microscope under the theory. This is the mirror, condenser, stage, mechanical stage, objective mounted on the revolving nose piece. This one is the body tube which carries the eyepiece. Now how to work with such a compound microscope? Always remember, this microscope carries 100x oil immersion objective. We require 100x oil immersion objective, that is highest magnification required is 1000x. So we are working with the 100x oil immersion objective. Now first thing, while observing slide under the microscope is, first of all, make sure the microscopic field should be focused properly with the highest amount of the light. So adjust the mirror. First of all, take this objective, focus the mirror so that we get highest amount of the light. Now your microscope is ready. Then place the 100x objective. This is 100x objective in this place by using revolving nose piece. So now 100x objective is there. Now take the slide. Make sure that your slide is totally dry before mounting, before observing under the microscope. So now your slide is ready. It was totally dry by blotting paper. While working with the 100x objective, we require the cedar wood oil, a drop of cedar wood oil on the smear. Now why it is used, that already we studied in the theory, because while using 100x objective, we require higher magnification and resolution. And this cedar wood oil has a high refractive index, which is helpful to enhance the resolution of the microscope. So take the oil, very small amount of the oil. So take a small drop of oil on the slide, and now your slide is ready. Place the slide on the mechanical stage in its proper position by using this screw clamp. With the help of mechanical stage, adjust the position of the slide, and then dip the slide. Dip your 100x objective. This is 100x objective. Dip that 100x objective or touch that objective lens to the slide. Now your 100x objective is also called as oil immersion objective. Why it is called as oil immersion? Because while using this objective, your 100x objective is always dipped in the oil. There should be always contact of oil and immersion lens or objective lens. So now your slide is ready. Now these are the two adjustment knobs. First, this bigger knob is called as coarse adjustment knob. First of all, with the help of coarse adjustment knob, focus the slide and observe something on the slide. When you observe colors or something on the slide, then go for the final details with the help of this fine adjustment knob. Now let us adjust the slide with the help of coarse adjustment knob. Slowly raise the coarse adjustment knob. The movement of coarse adjustment knob should be very slow till you get some observations on the slide. So this is now coarse adjustment. We will observe some observations on the slide. Now make this observation clear. So for making the observing the details, use this fine adjustment. So with the help of fine adjustment, you get all details of the smear. So that is how you will observe the bacterial cultures with the help of this 100 soil immersion objective, coarse adjustment and fine adjustment now. So after observing, you will observe the smear or all details on the smear. So now this is our observation. After monochrome staining using crystal violet, we will observe violet color cocci in bunches.